Hi guys, this is how to use your nano silver gel. Okay, if you're having if you're a man and you keep having warts on your penis and then the warts is not going away, please try using nano silver gel. Rub some nano silver gel on it and see how far. Okay, if you're a woman and you keep having vaginal infections and the infection is not going away, treatment after treatment after treatment is not going away, try using nano silver gel. This nano silver gel is, and the oral solution that you take orally, is for both men and women. So your nano silver gel, right, you take a syringe, you open this part of the syringe and then you fill it up with the nano silver gel. Okay, when you fill it up, then you lie down on your back. You do this at night when you're about to go to sleep. Okay, so you lie down on your back, and then you push it inside, you push the syringe inside, then you see the whatever, you push it for everything to go, you push it inside deep all the way down, and then you push it to enter, and then you go to sleep. Okay, so if you're having infections and the infection keeps coming over and over and over again and it's not going away, try using nano silver gel. Okay, and then if you're a man and you have genital warts is something is caused by human papilloma virus and it keeps growing, you need to go to the hospital. They will burn the warts. Okay, it's like a mini surgery. The surgery is for like just a few minutes, it doesn't stay long. Okay, then when they burn the warts, then you should be rubbing your nano silver gel directly on where they burnt it. Do you understand? So that it will enter well. What happened was somebody had I think he had hepatitis B or something like that. So they were trying to cure his hepatitis B. So in the process of curing his hepatitis B, his warts went away. His genital warts, sorry, not vaginal. His genital warts went away, and he was also taking the oral solution, and the amount of his human papilloma virus reduced greatly. Okay, so we don't always like to say that it's going to go completely, but yes, it reduces. So Google nano silver and what it does. It's very important, as in it's very good. Okay, Google, read about it. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. I'm always telling you this every day. So Google about it. Google about nano silver. Google about the oral solution and read about it. Okay, it's very important for men and women. Men that are having genital warts and other diseases that refuse to go away, treatment after treatment after treatment after treatment, try nano silver gel. Women that have vaginal infections that refuse to go away, treatment after treatment after treatment, try nano silver gel and the oral solution. It's available at Jarama Empire if you cannot find it anywhere else in Nigeria. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye.